This is Mountain Health Minutes. I'm Ted Owens, your host. And today I have with me Dr. Brian Evans, Chief Medical Officer of the Tahoe Forest Health System. Dr. Evans, very good to have you here.
Thanks for having me, Ted.
Dr. Evans, the Tahoe Forest Health System engages in a lot of different partnerships. And one of those very important partnerships has to do with our resort and ski areas. What can you share with us?
There's a lot going on, and it really goes back a long ways because we've obviously had a lot of ski and snowboarder activity and winter sports for many, many years. And long ago, Tahoe Forest was pretty much a critical access hospital, and that was about it. Now, obviously, we do quite a bit more than just that. We have many partnerships with ski resorts to take good care of our community and certainly people that are visiting the area. One of the main things we do is we provide clinical support staff to a variety of resorts in the area. There's actually six that we have relationships with, including Palisades, Alpine, Sugar Bowl, Diamond Peak, Boreal, and North Star. Um, and the nature of those relationships varies to some degree, but what we want to make sure of is that we have people available to help out when somebody is injured or somebody needs something, and then we're well connected to additional services off the mountain. Obviously, we also have lots of other relationships with the resorts, supporting World Cup and many other ski events. And it's a great partnership that goes back many years. And I think it's part of what makes our health system very special.
Some of those relationships also extend to, say, ski teams and provision of training assistance and things of that nature. Tell us a little bit about that. That's important because it's all about conditioning and prior to, right?
Yeah, there's a lot that could be done in terms of preventing people from getting injured in the first place through proper conditioning. We work a lot with students as well as athletes in the area. We have a team of athletic trainers that we deploy to schools and certainly to the resorts and help out and do that conditioning work that's so important. I mean, we want people to enjoy these mountains and we want them to be safe in doing that. So a big part of what we do is preventing injuries and illnesses.
I'll tell you, Dr. Evans, a lot of times people just simply look at the hospital and think everything goes on in the building. But the Tahoe Forest Health System is really out and about in the athletic community and the ski resorts.
I think it's part of what the community expects, and we're certainly happy to do that. I mean, that's why we're here, is to make this community healthy and thrive. And it's a passion project for so many of our clinicians.
Thank you very much, Dr. Evans. We've been talking to Dr. Brian Evans, Chief Medical Officer of the Tahoe Forest Health System. This is Mountain Health Minutes. Thank you for listening.